Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi guys, how are you all?
I'm good. I'm good.
Nice to see you all. One second, guys. I just want to remind everything. Any questions on the homework, guys?
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
for the homework, for the 1 to page 12, the homework was cut off, so I couldn't really understand anything. And I didn't really understand the homework since I wasn't there last class.
Did you look at the recording?
Yeah, I looked at the recording, but I don't really understand anything.
That is hard, Ma. If you just like that say, then attending the class is also important, right? Let me look over it. Okay, whatever I can review, I will review. But at the same time, did you watch the recording with mom or did you do it by yourself?
I did it by myself.
Okay. Let me see what is not related and then I'll help you. Yes, Avyuk, what's up?
Um, in some of the pages that you gave,
Uh-huh.
um, some of the prints were
Cut off. Okay, let
cut
me check
off,
that.
so I
That's
couldn't do those questions. Is that
absolutely. Kripa also says the same thing. Let me check first. Can I share my screen?
yeah?
Okay, which one, Ma? Which page is it, Ma? Which page is it, Ma? Do you have the page numbers?
It was on the one until page 12.
1 until page 12, Ma. Okay, what was that, Ma? Which one?
Uh,
Question number, Kripa, tell me.
it's more down.
More down? Okay, we will go there.
Yeah, these ones they're kind of cut off, so I don't really know what they say.
Okay, let's try it out because if there is information missing, we need to. Otherwise, we can go ahead. See, Valerie spent 3 by 8 of her pocket money and saved the rest. What fraction of her pocket money did she save? Mr. Johns drank 1 by 5 of the milk in a carton. His children drank 3 by 5 of it. What fraction of the milk in the carton did they drink altogether? I don't see any information missing, but let's see, Ma. I don't know. Aaron used 2 by 3. 1 second. Aaron used 2 by 3 gallon of paint to paint a door and 1 by 6 gallon of paint to paint a bookshelf. How much more paint did he use to paint the door than the bookshelf? I don't see anything missing. Avyuk, do you have the question numbers noted down? Which questions were you not able to do, Ma?
I think it was on a different homework. It wasn't in the intensive course.
Okay. Let's see. So this one was good.
Yeah.
Okay, Kripa, for to answer your question, let me know, Kripa, if you come encounter any questions that you're not able to read, let me know. Note it down and come back. Is that okay?
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
checking at it right
yeah,
now.
yeah, sure, ma. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, it's important that we clarify as well. Here as well, I'm not able to see anything. Clarissa spent 36 of her savings on a Barbie doll. What fraction of her saving did she spend if she had saved 60? I don't see anything missing here. At least,
Can you go up real quick? It's
Appa,
up.
ma? Yes, what
Yeah,
page number, ma?
I think it's page number um 15. Can you go to page number?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma. This one?
I think it's a little down. Just
Down? Okay.
yeah, down. Yeah.
Yes, there is a problem here. I do see it. There are
This
84
one.
storybooks
Yeah,
in
this
class
one.
library. Students borrowed, yes.
That one I couldn't.
This is the problem. There are 64 storybooks. What fraction of the storybook were left in the class library? Hold on. This one is a problem.
Miss Priya, I assumed it as 16.
What no?
Sorry, I assumed it at 60.
You assumed it at 60. That's fine. Very good, Vishwa. That's nice. But I just want to clarify since there are other two kids that asked, right? I just want to be sure. Can I be sure? 1 second, wait. 1 second, wait. Let me make sure that it is 60. I don't want to give a wrong information. Give me a minute, okay? This is what ma H 26H. Give me 1 minute. Oh, I didn't attach the answers. That is
No, so when I looked at the answers, there was no answers. There were
answers.
just
Okay, that is my
random
bad. Yeah, yeah,
papers.
yeah, yeah. That is completely my bad. I'm sorry, guys. Let me see whether we have the answers here. Hold on. We have the answers now, but the thing is, I did not attach the right pages, but the answers are still there. Let me see. See, it's there. So the only thing is, I'll get you the answers separately, but the answers are in there at the end. Did you see that? 26 2 by 7. Okay. 26H 2 by 7. Let me clarify that. Wait. I'm glad you're all asking. H2.
I,
Yeah, 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 1 minute. Okay, so it was 62, I think, Amma. I'm checking. Wait, guys. 1 second. 60. Assuming 60 is safe. Very good job. It's 60, guys. Vishwa, that's right. Your assumption was right. Students borrowed 60 storybooks is right. Okay. Sorry about that. That is one problem. I definitely see a problem.
just one more thing. Can you go to the end of page 16?
Yes, ma.
I think I saw another one. I'm not sure.
Absolutely, ma. Page number 16. Okay. There we go.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. I thought I saw one like here. Never mind.
No problem. Even if you see later, just message me. Okay. Make sense, guys?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What is that you didn't understand, Kripa? Tell me what you did not understand. Let me see if that's something that can be resolved.
Wait, I think I found another one on
Which one?
page 14.
14, ma. Okay, let's see. What is the question, ma?
It, it's on page 14, question number 3.
Page 14, question number 3. Yeah. I don't see any question number 3 there.
No, I'm on the one with the 103 pages.
Okay, that you don't see. That's the answer part, right?
No, it's
That's
the one.
huh?
It's the one with like the pages 1 to 12 with a total of 103 pages.
Yeah, that you don't see. That's the answers. I've attached it incorrectly. I'll attach only the answers I told you, right? So what is
It
the page?
says
Uh-huh.
it says intensive fractions due to page 12. That one.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Miss Priya, isn't there 4 homeworks?
Yeah, even in that Kripa, are you looking at intensive fractions.pdf? You don't need to look at the answers. Answer PDF, I'm saying I will reattach it. Are you looking at the correct homework?
Uh,
Why are you looking at the one that has 103 pages? It's wrongly attached, right?
oh. For some reason, we kept doing the 103 pages, so
No,
that's a
both are the
concern.
same, does not matter. Both are the same, Amma, but the thing is you are going to do only fractions till page number 12.
Okay.
Kripa, please tell me, what is that Kripa? Which one Kripa?
I don't understand like the word problems, the adding and
Okay, you don't understand, but let's go over a few of them. Let's see how the others do as well. This one, I'm going to take it off. Okay, the answer piece, I'm going to take it off, give the right one to you guys. Okay, I'm going to cut it off now. Okay. Answer was at the back. The thing is, I should have attached only that. That might have confused you. Okay, so I'm going to take out the answer so that you are not confused. Okay, now let's go to the fractions part. I'm going to review the word problems are hard. Okay, so I don't mind reviewing at all if you understand the basics. Okay, I wanted to check out how you are doing on this. Let me see this. Okay, what is 4 by 5 of 20? What is 4 by 5 of 20? Any one of you can explain. Go ahead, Avyut.
So first, what I did is I did 20 divided by 5, which equals
Good. So
4.
you split 20 into 5 parts, correct?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So then I did, since it was 4 out of 5, I did 4 times 4, which
Mm-hmm.
was 16. So 16 out of 20.
Good job. 3 by 7 out of 35. What is it, Shankari? 3 by 7 of 35. You want me to write it down? I'll write it down. What is 3 by 7 of 35?
15.
What, ma?
Can I do it?
That was a question to Shankari.
15.
3 by 7 of
This one
35. How
I
did you do, Shankari? Can you explain?
did 35 divided by 7, and
Ah.
then that was 5, so I did 5 times 3, which is 15.
Oh, that's so nice. So she divided 35 into 7 parts. 35 divided by 7. So 35. This is the whole 35. This is the whole 35. You're splitting up into 7 equal parts. So each will be 5. But what are they asking? They're asking for 3 of the parts. 3 of the parts will be 15. Can I move on? Okay, so that is good on you guys. Okay, let's see then. What is making it difficult? Let's see. Okay, let's try this one. How about this? Clarissa spent 36 of her savings on a Barbie doll. What fraction of her savings did she spend if she had saved 60? Clarissa spent, she spent 36. I will write down, okay? I'll change the English wording into some mathematics. So I'll shorten it and write down. She spent that. And what fraction of her savings did she spend? She saved $60. What are they asking? What fraction of her savings means? Her savings is the whole. Her savings is the whole. So out of 60, what fraction of her saving did she spend? So what is the numerator?
36.
36. Simplify that. How do you simplify that? Who can tell me how to simplify that? Vishwa, do you want to say how to simplify that? Simplify using what, Vishwa? Vishwa, you have to unmute and talk, Vishwa.
Yeah. Now, yeah, something happened. We can do 36 divided by 2,
Mm-hmm. 18
which
by 30
is
then?
18 by 30, yeah. And then I can simplify it again by 2,
Mm.
which is 9
15.
by 15.
Then
And then I can simplify it by 3,
which is
Uh-huh.
3 by 3. 3 by 3. Sorry, 3 by 5.
Good job. 3 by 5. So the answer
And
is
then
the
that's
what?
all.
So I'll go back and check my question again. What fraction of my saving did I spend? That is 3 by 5. Answer should be a fraction, and that's correct. Okay. Now, Kripa, can you pick out a question that was tough on you? Okay. Now, let's see this one. I'll pick in the meantime, you can pick one. The sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is half the fraction I'm thinking of. What am I to do it here? To do here? Sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 means what, Vihan? What does it mean to say sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2? Tell me, Vihan. Vihan, tell me what is sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 means what? Explain, ma, Vihan.
The sum is 3 by 3 and 2 by 3. No, 2 by 2 means.
What is it? Sum of
1 by 3 is 3 by 3.
1 by 3 is 3 by 3?
Yeah, because 3 by 3 is a sum, which is a whole.
No. What do you
A
mean
sum
by
is
sum of?
addition.
Sum is addition. Sum means the added value, right?
4 is 4 and 3.
Huh?
4 for 1 by 3 because 1 plus 3 is 4. And then
Hold on. Vihan, what is asked? The sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. What are they asking you to add? They are not asking you to add 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 by 3 is a fraction. How can you split it? You can't split the fraction, correct? So they are asking you that what the added value of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2.
oh, that's how you mean it.
What is that? Is equal to. Is means equal to half of something that you're thinking of. You don't know what you're thinking of. Half of something that you're thinking of.
But
Let me,
you add a fraction, the denominator have to be in the same multiplication
that's true.
table.
That is the next step. But first you need to write down what they're asking. The sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. That is the sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. If they say product of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, how do you write Srimitran? If they say product of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, how do you write it?
1
by 3 times 1 by 2.
That was a question for Srimitran, please.
1 by 3. 1 by 2 by 1 by 3.
1 by 3 by 1 by 3. Product means what?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. This is the product of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. What is the product of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, Srimitran? Okay, we have done it. You just multiply, right? How do you multiply? 1 times 1, 3 times?
1/6.
1/6. Good job. Okay, now let's go back to our problem. The sum of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2.
So basically
Half
it
of
would
the.
be
Uh,
1 by 6 because each of them can be added by
correct.
1 by 6.
1 by
So
6 is half of what fraction? That's a good question, right?
half of what fraction?
Yeah, 1 by 6 is half of what fraction?
2 by 12 right now. It's equal.
What is it? This is equal to 2 by 12. That I get it. This is equal to 2 by 12. But 1 by 6 is half
2
of
by
what
12
fraction?
would be half of
Okay, let me change it to 2 by 12 if that's easier. 2 by 12 is half of what? Half of what fraction?
is half of 1 by 6.
No, it's half of.
Okay, guys, let's not solve this problem. Let's not solve this problem. I'm going to go over some more basics. Okay. I think we did this last class, right? That's why I'm a little off. Okay, let's see. I don't remember whether I did it in this class or the other class. Let me
We
see.
did it. We did it.
That's what I felt. We did it is what I feel. But
We didn't.
we didn't. Did we not
No.
discuss? Wait. Let me go over it. Okay, then you'll know. How about what is double of 1 by 4? Double means what? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. What is it, Shankari?
2 by 4.
I want answers in simplified form.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. What is half plus half? What is double of half?
A whole.
A whole. Okay. What is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4?
In mixed number or in proper fraction?
I want a mixed number. 3
Okay.
by 4 plus 3 by 4.
Why are you drawing things?
Sorry. Yes, it was my bad, guys. I didn't finish.
They're 4s, not trees.
Oh, yeah,
Trees in
wait.
the
Let me finish. Please give me time.
Yes.
What is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4?
1
1
by 2.
and a half.
1 and a half. You should know all this. Now, guys, what is half of half? What is half of half? Half of this is what? I think I did it in the other class. Okay, that's why. I'll help you. What is this and all you should know. What is half of half?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Good job. Half of half is 1 by 4. What is half of 1?
A half.
A half. What is half of 1 and a half?
3/4.
Half of 1.
3/4.
Good job. See, you get it now.
3/4.
Let's go over one more time. Okay.
Gosh.
Okay, let's see this one. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. What is double of 1 by 8?
2 by 8.
1 by 8. 1 by 4. 16.
Guys, please do and tell me properly. Shankari, that's
2
right.
by 16. 2 by
I
16.
want only in simplified form. I will not accept your answers in unsimplified forms.
1 times 8. 1 by 8. 1 8. 1 8. 1 by 8.
Vihan, how do you add 1 by 8 and 1 by 8? Answer will be 1 by 8. Tell me.
Because
Do a
1
sanity.
by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 16, right? But then we
No,
can't
Vihan, your addition is wrong.
1 by
1 by 8
plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 8 is 2 by 8. And then 2 by 8 in the simplest form is
2 by
1 by 8. By 4.
1
Sorry, 1 by 4.
Good job. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is what?
2 by 8.
2 by 8.
2 by 8.
2 by 8. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Guys, at this level, if we are given a fraction, if you add both in the numerator and denominator, I'll go mad. Really, I'll go crazy. You cannot add numerators and denominators for fraction addition. You got it? Because we have learned it a lot. We have done the beast book as well. So you can never add the numerators and denominators in fraction.
You only add the numerators?
You have to make your denominators the same.
Miss Priya.
Kripa, how about 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6?
1 by 6.
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Good job, Kripa. What is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7? Vihan.
Miss Priya.
2 by 7. 2 by 7.
Yes, Kripa, what is it?
I found the thing that I didn't really understand.
1 minute. I'll come back to you. What is 1 by
2
16?
by 7.
1 by 16. Abhyuk, tell me. What is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16?
2 by 16.
No, I said I cannot accept unsimplified fractions. I'm very
1 by
strict.
8.
1 by 8. Now, what is half of 1 by 4? What is half of 1 by 4?
1 by 8.
1 by 8. What is half of 1 by 8?
1/16.
1 by 16.
1 by 16. What is half of 1/16? What is half of
132.
132.
1 by 32? Good job, guys. See, now you are arriving at your own patterns. This is how you figure out. This is how you sit and figure out. Put down small numbers and see what is half of 1 by 32?
1 by 64.
1 by 64. See how you got it now. 1 by 64. Good job.
1 by 28.
What is half of? What is half of? Um, 1 by 40.
1 by
7.
1 by 7.
1 by 7.
No. 1 by 28.
1 by 28.
1 by 28.
28.
Good job, Srimitran. Did you find it by yourself or did you get help, Srimitran?
I did it by myself.
Good job. Now tell me the answer for this one, our question. What is half of what is 1 by 6?
1 by 12.
1 by 12.
Oh.
1 by 12.
1 by 12.
Half of 1 by 12 is 1 by 6?
1 by 3.
1
1
by
by
3. Half of 1 by 12 is 1 by 24. Fractions work differently, guys. Put it. See, okay. The one another way, right, to learn this, right? The best way is draw the pizzas and see. When I add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it becomes one whole. Right? I'm asking, how does it become 1 by 6? Half of what is 1 by 6? Half of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a bigger fraction than 1 by 6. So half of 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. The fraction that you put on the right side instead of the question mark cannot have a denominator greater than 6. Because in fractions, 1 by 6 is much greater than 1 by 1 by 3 is much greater than 1 by 6. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3 because if you split the pizza into two pieces, 1/2 is more than 1/3 of the piece. You got it?
Yes.
1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 6. 1 by 12. 1 by 12 and 1 by 6, which is bigger?
1 by 6.
1 by 6 is bigger. So half of a bigger fraction is 1 by 6. What is that bigger fraction?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Good job, guys. Okay, Kripa, go ahead with your question now.
So, it's on page 4, question number 10. I don't know how to like subtract them.
Subtraction is the same as addition, but
Kripa, I think, Kripa, the problem is you did not attend last year. We did all this last year, Amma. Have you done the base book previous year, Kripa?
Yeah, I did, but not all of it, because I need some help.
Okay, I definitely need to talk to your mom once. Okay, let me talk to your mom once, okay? Because she was telling me that your sister can help as well whenever it's needed. So I'll talk to your mom, okay? Now, you cannot perform subtraction or addition of fractions when the denominator are different. So you have to bring everything to the common denominator. So 5, I have to multiply by 2 to bring it to a 10, correct?
So 2 by 10.
I multiply by 2. Now 1 is 1 by 1, right? Any whole number is always divided by 1. So if that is the case, right, what should I multiply it with, Kripa?
1
What should I multiply it with?
1. 1.
1 minus 1.
No, I have to bring it to the common denominator, right?
Yeah.
I have to bring it to... hey, please help her, guys. Who can?
Multiply by 10.
Multiply by 10. Good job. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So the first fraction would become what, Amma? So the first...
1/10.
Good. 1/10. You multiply the numerator and denominator, you need to multiply. You cannot just like that be unfair.
2/10.
10 by 10.
10 by 10. So the first fraction would become 10 by 10 because you multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. Right? And then the second fraction would become 2 by
10.
10. The third fraction would become
7.
7 by 10. Now you have the common denominator of 10. So numerator, you just subtract whatever is given. 10 minus 2 minus 7 is what? What is 10?
1 by 10.
1.
Yes, 1. Answer is 1 by 10. Kripa, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I really want you to get help for these because you already covered this nicely in this class. I really want your sister to help. Okay, let me talk to your sister as well. Other questions, I don't mind reviewing though. It is a good revision for everybody. I don't mind reviewing, but I cannot reteach everything. Okay, so how about this, guys? You're all going to do this quickly and say the answers. So that's a revision for all of us. That way, it gets reviewed for Kripa as well. There are some marbles in a box. 1/6 of the marbles are yellow, 1/4 of them are blue, and the rest of the marbles are red. What fraction of the marbles are red?
Will you answer in chat?
Yes, ma. Please. Thanks for asking, ma. ஒரு மணிக்கு ஓகேன்னு கேக்குறாரு அவரு.
Miss Priya, what question number is this?
Let's put it out as 1, ma. Thank you for checking, ma. Let's put it out as 1.
Am I correct?
It's the battery, but hold on.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Vihan, if you send me unsimplified answers, that's something I cannot accept.
Oh, but is the
Good
answer
job.
correct without the simplified answer?
Shankari, that's correct. First, you send me the unsimplified answer, then I will check. If you send me unsimplified answers, I will not check, Vihan. Right from the start, let that be a rule. Because you know what? Because I see bigger grade kids losing points because they are sending unsimplified answers in school. I don't want you to go through that. Here itself, if I put a break, right, automatically you'll all send simplified answers. It's not to penalize you, please, to help you. Shankari, that's correct. Avyuk, that's correct. That's correct. Vihan, one another thing I want you to know. When you are trying to add 1/6 and 1/4, correct, Vihan? When you want to add, what is the common multiple of 6 and 4, Vihan? Why did you
24.
go to no? 24 is not the common multiple. Yes, it is a common multiple, but that's not the least common multiple. What is wrong about it?
It's not least common.
I want the least common multiple. Sri Mitran, that's correct.
Can I say it?
No, Shankari, I want him to say. Thank you for asking, though. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 4, Vihan? Can I help you do that? I want you to do that, but I'll help you do that. I will write the multiples of 6.
I know the multiple of 6 and I also know the multiple of 4. So the first number or the last number which comes?
I asked you for the least common multiple. What does it mean? We have gone through this, Vihan. 4, 8, 12. What is the least common multiple?
12.
12. Then why did you put 24?
Oh.
You have to bring your denominators not to 24 but to 12. Right from the start, I want that to come in. I do not want you to multiply these two. That's not the way we do. We want to find the least common multiple. So we have to bring the denominator to 12 means on the first fraction, I'll multiply by 2. Both numerator and denominator. On the second fraction, I'll multiply by 3. Kripa, are you following, ma?
Yeah, I'm still solving the question.
Okay, 2 by 12 plus 3 by 12 is a 5 by 12. So that many that is a fraction of yellow and
blue
marbles, correct. So if that is 5 by 12, the rest of it is
7 by 12.
red. So you subtract 1 whole minus 5 by 12. How do you do 1 whole minus 5 by 12? 1 whole can be written as 12 by 12. Now 12 minus 5 by 12 is 7 by 12 is your answer. Okay, Kripa. Now tell me your question number, Kripa. Kripa, I'm waiting for your question number. Tell me a question number.
I don't have any more questions.
No. Oh, was this the one that you said? I don't remember.
No, I did not say this.
You had one question that was hard, right, Kripa?
It was the one with subtracting. We already did that.
Okay, how about this? This one was a hard one. Let's see this one. Okay, these two we'll try. This is number 2 and number 3. Let's do number 2 and number 3. Let's try this one. Number 2, number 3. Can we try this one, guys? Let's try. Express 750 as a fraction of 1 kg means what is 1 whole? One thing when you write out your fraction, right? Both your numerator and denominator should be the same unit. If your here fraction of 1 kg means denominator is 1 kg. Numerator is 750 gram. But this is very unfair. It's like you and your brother, I have told you, right? Both should be of the same page. One cannot be in gram, one cannot be in kilogram. So let me put everything in gram. What is 1 kilogram is how many grams?
1000.
1000. That is right. Then you and your brother come to the same page. How do you simplify? Divide by 10, divide by 10. So 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is 3 by 4. Answer is 750 gram is 3/4 of 1 kg. Got it?
இப்போ ரெண்டு கண்ணும் எரியுது.
Srimitran, are you okay?
Yeah.
Can we go ahead and try this one, second one?
Yeah.
Express 25 minutes as a fraction of 1.5 hours. Which is the whole here, Vihan?
The whole
25
minutes.
Huh?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is the whole, but that is in hours. Okay, well, let's write it down fully. 1.5 hours. That's your whole. Okay, meaning that's the full. Okay, now
Which is 90 minutes.
Bottom?
1 by 2 hours is 90 minutes. 90 minutes.
Nice. Thank you. So he's converting it already. 1.5 hours is 90 minutes, he said. Now both are in minutes. Did you see that? So I can write it out as 25 by 90. How to simplify this, Avyut? Or Vishwa, you tell me. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 by 18. Make sense? Okay, let's try a few more. Can I give you a couple more problems?
Yeah.
Homework, I'm not that comfortable, guys, with your homework. Let's see. I'm going to give you and see how many of you did, I'll know. Okay, how about this? Try this one. Let's see, guys. A question number is 3, 4.
Should we do both of them?
Yeah, both of them. I will give you the question numbers 4 and 5.
We send it in chat.
Yeah, ma. Answer in chat. Let's see if there is a need for discussion, then we'll discuss. If everybody gets it correct, there's no need to be on this at all. We can move on. Can I do on the board or you guys want to try? I'm okay with anything. Okay, good job, Wish, for that. Second one is a little tricky. You have to read the question. You know the fraction concept, but you have to read the question.
I know this.
Very nice. Go ahead and answer then. In chat, please.
Mixed number, is this fifth one mixed number or improper fraction?
Which one, ma?
The fifth question.
What have they asked?
Oh. Improper fraction.
Avyukt, you are answering question number 4 and 5, right, Avyukt?
Yeah.
Is your answer to question number 4 right?
Miss
I
Priya.
think so. Oh, never mind.
Vishwa, I think both of your answers are right. Srimitran, I'll wait for your second answer. First answer is right. Kripa, first answer is right. Second answer, I'm waiting. Shankari, you're not reading the question, I feel. Reading the question is the major part of the second one. Avyukt, the fourth is right, fifth is incorrect. You want to explain whoever got it wrong, you can feel free to explain and show us. Where we went wrong, we can mime together. Did you get it? Avyukt, can you explain Avyukt? The fifth one.
Is it correct?
The fourth one is right, yes.
Is mine correct? My fifth one?
Kripa, I think I already told you. No, Kripa. No, Kripa. Fourth one is correct, Kripa. Go ahead, guys. Fifth one, you're not at all reading. Shankari, explain the fifth one.
The what I did was I just made 1/4 into the same denominator as 7/8. So
That's
I did,
Wait. 1 by 4, how did it become 7/8? Okay, go ahead. So 1 by 4 should have been converted to what? 1 by 4 will become 2 by
2
8,
by
right?
8. Yeah.
Then what did you do?
Then I did 7 by 8 plus 2 by 8, which is
Why did you do that? Wait, Shankari. Why did you do 7 by 8 minus?
I mean minus.
Why
Sorry.
did you do that?
I didn't do plus. I meant minus. I didn't do plus.
Miss Priya, am I
I think
correct?
Shankari's answer was right. Wait. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me check. What was your answer, Shankari? Yes, your answer was right. Go ahead and explain.
I did.
Vishwa, your answer was not correct, Vishwa. Go ahead.
I did
Which one? The
7
fifth one?
by
Go ahead. Go ahead, ma.
I did 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8, which is 5 by 8. And then I did 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8, which is 12 by 8. And then I simplified it into
Simplest form. Simplest form means even if you have to put 3 by 2, ma. That is fine.
yeah, it's 3 by 2. And then I just put it into the mixed fraction.
1 by 2. Srimitran, your answer is right. 1 by 2 is the right answer. Vishwa, you did not read the question. His friend ran 1 by 4 mile less far than he ran. The question was, what was the total distance they ran? The 5 by 8 was just the distance his friend ran. Vishwa, did you get it, Vishwa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kripa, yes, ma. Tell me, what is your question?
Could you also write the answer as 3 by 2?
3 by 2 is correct, ma. That is the simplest form. You get it? If they ask you for the simplest form, 3 by 2 is the perfect way of saying it. If they ask you to write it in mixed number, then you have to write 1 by 2. Did I clarify your question?
Miss Priya, so in the if I write it in the improper fraction, it would be 12 by 8, right?
No, that's not right. I told you that's not right. I won't accept unsimplified answers. I clearly told you. 12 by 8 is an unsimplified answer, right, Vishwa? How can you say that's right? You understood?
Yeah.
12 by 8 simplified form is what?
So 6 by 4 and then 3 by 2.
Exactly. That is the answer. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's move on. Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yama?
so in the homework you gave, there was like examples of how to
Right.
the, the fraction
Uh-huh.
so that's how I can do mixed fractions like really fast.
Okay. So you understood from the examples?
Yeah.
Very glad to know. Okay. The challenge is left to you guys. I mean, it's nice if you do. If you do the challenge at home discussing, that is also fine. Okay. Rest of it should be okay. Okay. I'm going to move on now. Does that make sense? Okay. Kripa, are you comfortable a little bit more now?
Yeah, I'm way better than last time.
Way better than last time. Glad to hear. Okay. So let's see. You know what I want to do now? Wait, let me quickly check.
Miss Priya,
Excuse me. Sorry.
will
Okay.
this class
Yeah, ma?
will this class also be extended?
Will this class also be extended? 1 second. We did start 1 week late, right, ma?
Yeah.
When did we do? I have to check, ma. I honestly did not check. I'm so sorry. Give me a minute. I'll check.
We finished the 2 classes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 1 minute, guys. I
And
can
then we also extended the notes.
send what?
We also extended the classes. And then we only missed 1 class.
Yeah, I just want to confirm. Wait, she's asking. So I just want to give me 1 minute, okay? We started only on the 14th, right? This class is for July 5th. Did we not finish the 2 extra classes, ma'am? No,
we
we didn't.
did.
I
No, I
don't.
think we did, but I'm just like asking. Well, this class might be.
Oh, okay. No. We will try to finish on time. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You know what? Okay, how much of fraction do you all know? How,
A pretty good
I
amount.
know I don't know everything, but like I do know a little.
okay,
I'll say I'm good at it.
you say you're good at it. I'm glad to hear
I
that.
know I know how to do like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
I'm kind of weak in fractions, but I
I
still know a little.
A little, okay. Okay, before I move on to those decimals, right? That is my next topic, okay. But before moving on to decimals, I want you to know about Egyptian fractions. Have you heard of the term Egyptian fractions?
No.
No.
Egyptians were very strong. Okay, initially when they discovered the fraction part, right? Egyptians, it's interesting, okay. That's a good thing to know, okay. Which let's say, what are these? What do you observe common between these fractions?
They're one of the
They're
whole.
all a unit fraction.
Huh?
They're all unit fraction.
The numerator are the same, but are they
They're one of the whole.
They're a unit fraction.
they are unit fractions. All are unit fractions. Do you see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, all are unit fractions. But let me see. Now, if I call this out, I can write this out as 1 by 2 plus, let's say, let me call out this fraction 5 by 6. Okay, I call out the fraction 5 by 6. That 5 by 6 fraction, that 5 by 6 fraction can be expressed as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, this fraction 5 by 6, it's not a unit fraction, you see. This fraction 5 by 6, which is expressed as a sum of unit fractions, which can be expressed as a sum of unit fractions, is called as an Egyptian fraction. Yes, ma?
Nothing. I just realized my question.
Yeah. Now, did you get your question answered, Vihan?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. So, the fractions that can be expressed as a sum of unit fraction is basically Egyptian fractions. Does it make sense? Okay. Now, guys, how about this? Are you okay? Okay, let me go ahead and ask you more questions. Can I ask you more questions? Did you understand? Who can just describe Egyptian fractions? Who wants to describe Egyptian fractions?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you can do like 1 by 5
Mm.
plus 1 by 6
Mm.
equals uh
Mm. You want me to write that down for you?
yeah.
She's talking about 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5. Okay, good. Go ahead.
It equals um
11 by 30. See, when these two, one another thing, guys, when these two don't have any factor that's common, meaning what? This is a number where 5 will not go into, this is a number where 6 is not going to go into. There is no common factors between 5 and 6. 3 and 2 will go here, 3 and 2 will not go here. So if you have fractions like that, it's so easy to add. Take this 5 up, take this 6 up. 5 plus 6, divide by 5 times 6. Make sense? 11
yes,
by 30. 11 by 30 is an Egyptian fraction. Why is it an Egyptian fraction?
because it's the sum of unit fractions.
Is the sum of, good job, very nice. Now, let me ask you this. Express, okay, I know an Egyptian fraction 5 by 8. Okay, now can we express it as a sum of unit fraction? Express it as a sum of, how do we do this? Is it not hard? Can we try expressing it? What is the unit fraction? Meaning 5 by 8, right? How to find it? How to express it as a sum of two unit fractions?
Should the denominator be 4 and 4?
What, ma?
Should the denominator be 4 and 4? Or no?
4 and 4, no, you have to find the unit fraction that is largest, meaning you have to find a unit fraction 1 by n that is very near to 5 by 8. What is that one unit fraction? Okay, let's do this. 5 by 8. Okay, let's start with 1 by 2. Can I write it out as 1 by 2 plus? Let's see. Okay, 5 by 8 is bigger or 1 by 2 is bigger? Which is bigger?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is bigger? Oh my.
5 by 8 is bigger.
5 by 8 is bigger. We have already learned how to find out bigger fractions. 5 times 2 is a 10. 8 times 1 is a 8. So basically 5 by 8 is bigger.
Yeah,
Right?
the end of the reason.
Okay. So now 5 by 8 can be expressed as 1 by 2 plus. 1 by 2 plus. Now what do I do? I can write it out as 1 by 2 plus. Then 1 by 2 plus what? Do you think? So you found out one unit fraction that is less than 5 by 8. Meaning 1 by n was the largest unit fraction that's less than the given fraction. Now what to do?
1 by 2 plus 1 by 8.
1 by 2, 1 minute, let me go there. 1 by 2 plus
1 by 8.
1 by 8, let's try that. If I put 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8, how can I add them together? I have to express this as 4 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which is 5 by 8. Good job. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 is 5 by 8. Very nice. Now you expressed this Egyptian fraction as a sum of two unit fractions. Any questions, guys? Okay, we'll try one or two more. You're going to get it. Okay, initially, I'm pretty sure many of you didn't get it. Okay, so let's go ahead, but now you're going to be able to do it quickly. How about easy ones? I'll give you first. Okay, I don't want a challenging one. Okay, how about 9 by 20? 9 by 20, I know that it's an Egyptian fraction, but I'm asking you to express it as a sum of unit fraction. You can have any number of unit fractions.
But
Okay,
it would be greater than 20 by.
let's find out. Okay, the first unit fraction that comes to your mind is half. The second unit fraction is 1 by 3, then 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So one of this should be used, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. These are all unit fractions that I'll think of. But first, let me compare with 1 by 2. Which is greater?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 is greater. Then that cannot be used, right? I cannot write half plus something.
It has to be less than.
Yeah, less than. Yeah. So that unit fraction that I choose should be less than 9 by 20. So let's try 1 by 3.
Miss
Compare
Priya.
with 1 by 3, which is bigger?
1 by 3 is bigger. No, it's not. 1 by 3 is
Miss
smaller.
Priya.
Which 1 minute, ma. Which is bigger, 9 by 20 or 1 by 3?
9 by 20.
9 by 20 is bigger. So 9 by 20, I can clearly express it as 1 by 3 plus something. Yeah, go ahead. What was your question, Shankari? Now.
Is it 1 by 5 plus 5 by 20?
1 by?
1 by 5 plus 5 by 20?
But I can't use 5 by 20, right?
It has to be a unit fraction.
Oh,
Yeah. So see, we found out 1 by 3, right? So what is remaining, first of all? How do you find out what is...
another one from this 9.
No. How to... what is it?
I actually use another fraction from this line was 1/4.
But see, that is hard. It need not be this. It can be 1 by 11, 1 by 2. There can be many more. Okay, you cannot go
1
there.
by 10.
No. First, let's find out. 1 by 3 plus what is 9 by 20? Who can find and tell me how to find out? So, subtract the 9 by 3 from 9 by 20 from 1 by 3. This is like a fact family, right, guys? 3 equal to 1 plus something means to find out that something, first you need to subtract 1 from 3, right? So, I'll subtract what from what? 3 equal to 1 plus something. Okay, just like that, I have written like that. 9 by 20 equal to 1 by 3 plus something. Now, to find out what is in the box, I'll subtract 1 from 3. So, I'll have to subtract 1 by 3 from 9 by 20. What will happen? I'll put it to the denominator of 60, right? You get 7 by 60. This is 7 by 60. What do I do now? 7 by 60 is not a unit fraction, right? 7 by 60 is not a unit fraction.
Should you simplify it?
You can't simplify it, right? So again, do the same thing. What is that unit fraction that is less than 7 by 60? What is that unit fraction that is less than 7 by 60? I want to know what is that unit fraction that is less than 7 by 60. I can't put a 5 here. 7 times 5, 7 times 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, 9. If I put 9, what happens? 7 nines are 63. That is possible. So I will...
63. So 763.
Yeah, that's right. 7 nines are 63. So that makes your 7 by 60 bigger. So 7 by 60, I can express it as 1 by 9 plus something, right?
Well, that was 1 by 3.
What is it?
That was 1 by 3. Oh, yeah, 1 by 3 is over here.
1 by 3 is already there, right? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9. Now, what is the last one? To find out the last one, you'll subtract 1 by 9 from 7 by 60. Right? How many of you are not with me? How many of you are with me?
Miss, yeah.
Yes.
I don't understand.
We are just trying to find out, express this fraction as a sum of unit fractions.
So basically, I've noticed something. The smaller the fraction which we want to express, the bigger, the smaller the unit fractions have to be. Like
yes.
just 7 by 60 just reach all the way.
Smaller than the given fraction, but highest unit fraction.
Yeah, and then it just 9 by 20 reach all the way to 7 by 60.
But wait, did we do it correctly?
Did we?
9 by 20 I gave you, right?
Yeah. And then how would it be 7 by 60? That thing's too big. It automatically be greater, but...
Kripa, where did you not understand? Let's understand and then keep moving. Kripa, where did you not understand, ma?
I just don't understand like the concept. I don't know how to
Wait. Here, I think we made a mistake here. Okay, you just don't understand the concept. What I'm saying is 9 by 20, we have to express it as a sum of unit fractions. Okay, so I start with 9 by 20. Okay, what are the unit fractions that you can think of? 1 by 2 is the highest unit fraction that you can think of. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10. All these are smaller unit fractions.
Is it 1 by 1 also a unit fraction?
No, that's a one whole, right?
Oh.
Fraction means
But also you said that unit fractions are just ones, but are only focusing on one of them. And then 1 by 1
is not a fraction, Avihan. 1 by 1 is a whole number, it's not a fraction. Fraction means your numerator should be less than the denominator. Now, 9 by 20. What is the unit fraction that is nearest to 9 by 20 but less than 9 by 20 is what you need to find out. For that, you need to compare your unit fraction. Which is greater? 9 by 20, 1 by 2. 9 by 20, 1 by 3. Which is greater? 18, 20. So this is greater. You cannot use this.
Miss Priya.
Yes, ma, let me finish
10 and
explaining.
20.
Let me
This
see.
is 18 and this is 20. I just did that in my brain.
This is 27, this is 20. So 9 by 20 is bigger. So I can start writing 9 by 20 as 1 by 3 plus something. How to write out that something? 9 by 20 minus 1 by 3. Yes, ma. Shankari, go ahead. Go ahead with your question.
Can't you do 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5?
Oh, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 you're able to do?
Yeah, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 equals 9 by 20.
1 by 4. So how did you find out? You tell us.
Multiplying it.
Okay, I did
Ah,
I did 4 times 5, which is 20. So I have to do the same thing with the numerator. So 1 times 5 is 5.
Okay, you found that way. That's the easiest, I think. Go ahead.
And then 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 4 is 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And they're both 20 denominator.
Wonderful. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is a perfect answer. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5
the
perfectly works.
but it didn't. But one by three also has to go with something.
Yeah, it will
That's
go.
one by four and 1 by 5 are in this number line. So that means that 1 by 3 also has to go with something larger.
That will also work,
But
is
it
what
can't
I'm
be
also thinking.
70, but it can't be 6 by 70. That thing's too big. And second of all, yeah, that's not an fraction. There has to be mistakes somewhere.
Yep. So how do, okay, we can also go from there. 1 by 3 as well, we can go. But I like Shankari's answer stating that it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. How did you find out, Shankari?
Because I just know that 5 times 4 is 20. So I decided.
Ah, okay. So she just plugged and chugged. See here, what she did was 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. There is no common factor between 4 and 5. She just multiplied 20 and then 5 plus 4. You see, 5 plus 4. So that is 9 by 20. So she gave 9 by 20 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. This is one answer. Okay, but Egyptian fractions you can express it differently as well. You got it? Now, let me go ahead and show you the way I wanted to. Well, this is one good way, no doubt. But what did we do? We chose 9 by 20 and then we tried 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 is bigger, so I cannot express it like that. So I chose 1 by 3 was a smaller fraction, so I expressed it like this. Now, in order to find my box, right, I have to see this is like fact family, right? 9 by 20, if I subtract 1 by 3, I'll get what is in the box. Correct? How to find out what is in the box? I will express everything as 60. 27. This is 60 means 320, right? So that is 7 by 60. But my problem is 7 by 60 is not a unit fraction. Right? Let me continue my venture. 9 by 20 will be equal to 1 by 3 plus what is the 7 by 60? Srimitran, are you with me? Are you with me,
Yeah.
Srimitran? Okay, we'll finish with this, okay? 7 by 60, if I want to express it as a unit fraction, what will I do? I'll have to find out the greatest unit fraction that is equivalent to 7, that is near 7 by 60. So what will I do? What is the unit fraction that is near? So if I want to find the unit fraction that's very near to this, right? Can I put 1 by 60, 2 by, okay, see, let's see. What is the unit fraction? Can I write 1 by 10? Is that smaller? 70, 60. Yeah, 1 by 10 is good. But 1 by 10, how about 1 by 9? 7 nines are 63. This is 60. 1 by 9 is as well good. So you have
But
to, yeah, you have to plug and chuck. Okay, let's try 1 by 9. 1 by 10 was easy to say. 1 by 10 clearly, see, if I put 7 by 60 and 1 by 10, which is bigger? My
it's
7
clear
by
to
60.
be seven.
Yeah, 7 by
It's clear to be
7
seven
by
by
60 and
60.
1 by 9. Hmm. Yeah. So can I go ahead with 1 by 10 here? If I go ahead with 1 by 10, what happens? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus what will be there? So you have to subtract 1 by 10 from 7 by 60. Subtract 1 by 10 from 7 by 60. This is a little hard, guys, but you'll get it through. 66, 1 by 60. So wow, see, we got in already. So 9 by 20 will be equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 60.
Wait, we're allowed to use more than 2.
What is it?
Wait, we were allowed to use 1 by 2 that one more than 2 fractions that whole time.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm saying you can have any number of unit fractions.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
maybe six,
expressing any fraction that can be expressed as a sum of unit fraction is an Egyptian fraction. To find out your to find out these simple fractions, right? You go on finding a unit fraction that is less than this. But this has to be the largest unit fraction less than this. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, this is slightly difficult, but that's okay. Okay. So next week again, I'm going to give you more fractions only. Next week only, I have to start going on to decimal. I definitely want to go to decimal next week. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. We did only Egyptian fractions today, but that's okay. And we did some word problems. Avyuk has some doubts. What is it, Avyuk?
Last class you told us that we would do angles, right?
Angles, right?
And
Yeah.
that we needed to buy a protractor. So
Yes, I will definitely work with you on the protractor.
Oh, I don't know where's mine.
Please
I
bring
have
your
one with
protractor
me
next
right
week
now.
without fail. Thank you, Mahavyuk, for reminding me. Very nice of you. Next week, as soon as you come back, we'll learn how to use a protractor, measure angles, and then we'll go to decimals. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. But we delayed it. This week I wanted to, but that's okay. Next week we'll do. Okay. Okay, guys. Srivathan, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.